I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Switch control lets you operate Mac OS using external or built-in switches. It provides full navigation without direct touch or mouse input. This feature scans the screen and highlights items sequentially for selection. You can use a keyboard key, a wired switch, or the camera as a switch input. Accessibility settings contain the controls you need to configure scanning and actions. Follow the next instructions to enable switch control and assign your primary switch input for reliable use. Open the Apple menu and choose System Settings to begin configuration. Navigate to Accessibility, then select Switch Control from the list. Toggle Switch Control on to enable scanning and switch assignments on your Mac. Use the Add New Switch button to register a key, external device, or camera gesture. Assign that switch to select, move, or pause actions for predictable behavior. Set the scanning interval to a comfortable speed, for example 1.5 seconds, and test adjustments immediately. Decide between auto-scanning and manual scanning before starting regular use. Auto-scanning cycles through items automatically for you to select with one switch. Manual scanning advances focus only when you press the navigation switch. Use recipes to customize multi-step actions and reduce repeated switching for common tasks. Test your setup in Finder, Safari, and a document to ensure timing and selections feel reliable. Return to Accessibility to tweak sensitivity. Hold duration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.